So this is the digestive system project of the liver and the gallbladder by Jared and Allie. The liver is the largest gland in the body and arguably the most important as well. The liver and the gallbladder, both of which will be mentioned later on, are both accessory organs associated with the small intestine. Accessory organs are essentially organs that will help digestion but are not a part of the digestive tract. Instead, the liver's main function in the digestive system is to produce bile for export in the duodenum and to filter process the nutrient-rich blood that is delivered to it. The entire liver is enclosed by the visceral peritoneum, except for the superior part, which is up here, or the bare part, just on the diaphragm. Blood flows through the liver freely with no passage like they do with muscles, and there's a lot of blood flow coming through the liver. Two blood vessels that are extremely important are the branch of the hepatic artery, which supplies oxygen-rich arterial blood to the liver, and the branch of hepatic portal vein, which carries venous blood laden with nutrients from the digestive viscera. After the blood is filtered through the liver, it collects through the central vein and continues journey throughout the body.
The gallbladder is a small pouch that stores bile and is located just under the liver. When no digestion is occurring, the hepatopancreatic sphincter, which guards the entry of the bile into the duodenum, is closed. The released bile backs up into the cystic ducts and into the gallbladder where it's stored until needed. Bile does not enter the small intestine until the gallbladder contracts. The hormone CCK is responsible for signaling the gallbladder to contract and causing the hepatopancreatic sphincter to relax. The contraction of smooth muscle forces the bile out of the gallbladder and into the cystic duct and then into the small intestine. Bile helps digest fat, but the gallbladder itself is not essential. Bile contains bile salts and phospholipids, which aid in the digestive process. The role of bile salts is to emulsify fat. Large fat globules that enter the small intestine are physically separated into millions of small fatty droplets, which allow fat digestion enzymes to break them down even more. Bile is also an important vehicle for cholesterol excretion from the body, and bile salts keep the cholesterol dissolved within the bile. Too much cholesterol or too few bile salts lead to cholesterol crystallization, forming gallstones.